Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and today we're going to be doing an all-day wear test of the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I have mine in the shade Pearl, which says it is fair with neutral undertones. This comes in 12 shades, which is not very good at all, like not even remotely. Work on this. And also, I of course am pasty patty over here, so I normally don't veer over to the other side of the shade selection, but I was on Ulta like looking at what the description was of this foundation, and the darkest shade of this is like pretty light still. Most of these shades are medium skin tone. This is once again the lightest shade. It does work for me, so not the best shade selection there, but anyway. This claims to be lightweight, have a semi-matte finish. It is supposed to visibly brighten your skin. It is supposed to last all day. We will test that out for sure. I have to go to work later, so we'll definitely see how it goes. What time is it? It's 4:15. It's 4:15. I go to work at 6, and I've actually had this on already for about an hour because I've been filming anyway. So you'll definitely get at least an 8-hour wear test out of it. I'm sorry I can't do longer, but sorry. Anyway, we're going to be testing the longevity of this foundation. It is also supposed to restore uneven skin textures and tones. This retails for $6 on Ulta's website, and it has 3.5 stars on Ulta, which is not great, but it is not terrible. It's right in the middle. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. We are so close to my 100 subscriber mark where I will be doing a giveaway, and I hope you guys are excited as I am. So when I am filming this, I am only 4 subscribers away. So alright, so we are going to start off by prepping our skin. I already have my skin moisturized with the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. Next, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I freaking love this primer. I bought the travel size to try it out, and honestly, I think I'm going to buy the full size when I'm out. It's so good. It is abnormally hot in my room, and of course it's on the day that I decide to wear something other than a freaking t-shirt. I'm also going to go ahead and add some Blistex lip serum. Alright, and now that we are prepped and ready to go, we are going to, sorry, I'm trying to keep my little basket to put the products in so I can link them for you. Today we are going to be trying out the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I have mine in the lightest shade, which is Pearl, fair with neutral undertones. Kind of scared of it. I've not even opened it, like taking the seal off right now. Oh, I was really trying to twist it. Okay, so this does come with a pump, which is always good. Like normal, I'm going to do one side with a dampened beauty sponge and the other side with my Sigma F80. Oh, I'm kind of concerned. I hope this goes good. So this looks pretty freaking dark. Pretty freaking dark. But we're gonna roll with it. So I'm just going to okay, this seems pretty thick. I'm so scared. Oh, I fucked up. Okay, anyway, so the shade seems to be okay. If anything, it's just a little dark. I'm gonna turn my lighting up just a little bit so I can see a little bit better in real life. This is fragranced a little bit. It doesn't say anything on the bottle other than the ingredients. It doesn't have any claims, but I do have them for you guys. I think I probably told you the claims in the intro. So that is one layer on one side of my face. I do feel like it is brightening my skin, and it is, you know, taking away this redness. It does not have, it doesn't say what kind of coverage it's supposed to have. So let me do the other side with my Sigma F80 and then we'll come back. So I know off of this side that one little dot's not enough, so. Okay, so we have both sides of my face done, and I like the way it applied better with a sponge. I do have drier skin, so normally a damp sponge is how I roll. It is not covering hardly anything. I'm actually having a pretty good skin moment. It's not covering the redness. My pores still look pretty big. Like I said, I just have a lot of redness and dry patches. Like, it's not terrible. It's not my favorite so far. Let me get a little bit more product. This is like super thick. It's almost like moussey. I'm gonna do a second layer with my sponge, and I just took a pump and split it, you know, on the 4 areas of my face. So let's see. I feel like I can't ever judge a foundation until I have like all of the rest of my face on. Like, not so much eye makeup and stuff, but like my powder and all of that, because that changes your foundation so much. So trying not to be a negative Nancy. I do think the shade is pretty good. It does look fairly deep in the packaging, but this is a frosted glass bottle, which is also super nice. So right now, it's not the best coverage. It's not terrible coverage. Most people, in my opinion, even if they have on a super full coverage foundation, which is what I normally wear, you still go in with concealer and get, you know, your little areas that you want extra covered. So I try really hard not to judge foundations off of that, but since this does not say exactly how much coverage it's supposed to have, I can't really dog on it. I'd say it's like low medium coverage. It did cancel out quite a bit of my redness. My skin does look very brightened, which is one of the claims, that it visibly brightens your skin. It is supposed to be lightweight. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't, I feel like I'm wearing makeup because this is kind of moussey, and because of that it's a little more dry. So I feel like I'm wearing makeup, but it doesn't necessarily look like I have on I think I ended up using 3 pumps of foundation, which is a little crazy, but it's all right. A semi-matte finish, I do agree with that. My forehead looks a little glowy, which I have dry skin, like I said, so I prefer that. So I do like that so far. So I'm going to hop off of here and finish the rest of my makeup, and then we will be back. All right, so yeah, I already have my hair done. We are back. If you want to see how I got this super simple look, I did film it. It'll be up soon. I know I said it in one of my other videos, like in my copper smoky eye video, that I was having to have, I might have to have my gallbladder removed, and I was going for tests and all of that. Results are in. Your girl is losing a gallbladder. So I'm not really sure when all of these videos are going to be going up, because your girl is pre-filming like a mofo, trying to make sure I don't miss any videos, any upload days. I'd like to say, I think I've started this new channel in January or February, and I've literally only missed 2 days, and it was because I was moving and my whole life got turned upside down. Got flip turned upside down. So, you know. Super easy look. But anyway, I think I'm gonna call it like makeup for work, wearable work makeup, something like that. Keep an eye out for it. Now that I have the rest of my face makeup on and I've gotten to set my face down, I do like this foundation a lot more. It definitely has that semi-matte finish, kind of velvety looking. I really am liking how this looks so far. The shade looks good. It doesn't look like it oxidized on me. Once I added some concealer and my powder, which has pigments in it, so it does add some coverage to my face. I'm really liking how this looks, so yay. I will probably check in with you guys right before I go to work, because I have to go to work. I don't know why I agreed to the things I do, but anyway, I am liking this foundation so far. I will see you all in the next check-in. Yeah. Alright, so I started putting on this foundation at about 3:30 or so. I'm on my way to work right now. I'm in my dad's ginormous Jeep that I love. I can't believe you let me borrow it. Anyway, I started putting this on at 3:30. It's now 5:32, so I think it looks pretty good. My bottom eyeshadow and mascara is kind of starting to transfer down onto it, but I'll check back in on my break at work and hopefully still looks good. It looks pretty freaking dewy now. It doesn't look nearly as semi-matte. It's way more dewy and luminous now. And like I said earlier, I have pretty dry skin, so kind of weird, but I'm on my way to work and I'll check back in with you guys later. Hey everybody, so it's the end of the night. It's about 11:30, so I've had this on right at 8 hours. I got pretty sweaty at work, and these like little claw marks are from Ellie like playing with my face. My eye makeup definitely transferred down really bad on this foundation. I have a random line right there that was there before I got Ellie. So is this better lighting? This is. How you doing? Anyway, I'm looking pretty dewy. I did not do any touch-ups, so I'm not a really big fan of this one, especially including the shade range that is absolute shit. I think I said it in the beginning of the video. I think there's only like 12 shades. That's some bullshit. It just looks really greasy, and it looks super obvious that I'm wearing foundation. Like, it looks like I have on a mask, and especially where Ellie like scraped off my makeup a little bit. I'm super oily and dewy and nasty looking, so I definitely do not like this foundation. Maybe if you were just gonna wear it for a few hours, but it said all day long lasting, and I've definitely only had it on 8 hours. So that is it for this video. I don't really like this foundation. I will link all of the products I mentioned in today's video down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So that is it for this video. Bye guys.